changes that we're going to see primarily around smart mobility and travel is going to be on the ownership of personal vehicles. I think a lot about sustainability and efficiency. You know, vehicles today sit idle 93% of the time. So we need to find better, more efficient ways for us to travel. And we're starting to see that already. And so that's where smarter mobility is going to come into play. And this is why we start to see the explosion of EV vehicles and AV, which also add to sustainability. And what that means is that we're going to see more different types of mobility products for everyone to use. And for that to happen, it starts with embedded connectivity. With embedded connectivity, you can create these more efficient transportation, more car sharing opportunities. But also with embedded connectivity, the thing that OEMs are starting to realize is you can understand how your products are performing and being used and make design changes almost on the fly for a better product. And so the companies that embrace embedded connectivity for more efficient transportation, but also to improve their product offering, are going to be the winners in this marketplace. There's four big areas. It starts with the telematics device that goes in the vehicle, then it goes through the network, then you have the cloud, and then you have usually a mobile or a web, component associated with managing that smart mobility device. Now, if I start with the telematics device, the most important part of that is integration properly into the electrical architecture of the mobility product itself. It then traverses through the network. And I often talk to our customers about choosing the right network provider for your mobility offering. It's understanding first your data consumption, also understanding where your devices are going to operate. And once you have those, and then the third is really looking at value-added services that you might apply. Then when you look at the cloud, a key component of the cloud is to make sure the services that they offer, but more specifically the things that we focus on are the readily available APIs. So can you promote your data to third parties? Can you promote it internally? Can you provide the right access at the right time to the right groups or individuals of people to consume that data in the proper way? And then the fourth is that user experience, and that user experience or the consumer of this information, it usually starts with a mobile first mentality. The other thing that I like to think about is creating daily relevance. So if you create a very engaging solution that your customers use every day to manage your mobility solution, those will be the winners in the marketplace. So at Sibros, we are accelerating smart mobility by giving first our customers that are getting into adding embedded connectivity to their mobility products a jump start. We start by providing the three most basic features needed, which is OTA updates or over-the-air software updates to all ECUs in the vehicle. The second is access to all vehicle data with flexible data logging or event-based data logging. And then the third is the ability to send remote commands to the vehicle. And this is generally in the form of, say, you want to precondition an electric vehicle to make sure that the cabin temperature is set at an optimal level for everyone. The other thing that we're doing is we're working with existing OEMs that have actually been in the embedded connectivity space for quite some time, but have found that they have challenges. So one of the things that we've done is help simplify that approach to scale globally and to scale to all components, because managing vehicle software complexity, it adds up very quickly when you talk about all the buildable combinations of software that goes into a vehicle. Our approach helps simplify that and reduces the complexity that exists on the back end to do that. So we're helping both the new age OEMs leapfrog into the embedded connectivity space. We're helping existing OEMs kind of overcome some of the scaling problems that they've had.